Cindy, we're gonna talk about pumpkins.
It's almost Halloween or harvest time if you don't celebrate Halloween. And we have been growing some pumpkins. So Leo, show us where's the pumpkin in here.
Right there.
We're gonna zoom in, we're gonna zoom in, we're gonna zoom in. Oh, look at him, he's a big greenie. So, Leo, what did we use to plant this pumpkin?
A seed.
A seed. That's the first stage of a pumpkin. So we planted a seed, and then what happened next, Leo?
A sprout.
A sprout came out. Was it big?
No, it's small.
It was a little guy with some little leaves. So I'll show you the pumpkin leaves. These are big, mature pumpkin leaves, but that's what it gets all its energy from. Now the pumpkin leaves are growing on a what?
Vine.
A vine. That's the next stage. Seed, sprout, vine.
Yeah, and then after the vine, it becomes a pumpkin.
That's right, it becomes a pumpkin.
And guys, follow me.
Hold on. Before we follow you to that last thing that we're gonna show, I'm gonna show them the vine. Here's the vine. The vine comes out and it grows these beautiful leaves, and it also grows these blossoms. Now this is an old blossom, but it opens up. And there's two types. There's a male blossom and a female blossom. And the female blossom has a bump inside, and it only opens for 1 day. And then if it gets fertilized, if a bee goes in there and rubs the pollen around from the male flower, it grows a bump. The bump would grow right behind. So this one did not get it. The bump would have grown right there. And that bump would have become a pumpkin. Now, pumpkins can be all different colors. This one is green and it's gonna stay green. Usually green ones mean they're not ripe, but Leo, you're gonna show us a ripe one. Come on, let's follow him.
Come on.
All right, we're gonna show you what a ripe pumpkin looks like.
Tell me in the comments below if you like Mimikyu.
Okay, all right, down the stairs. Okay, and here we have our other pumpkin. Now, my friends, be gentle. Right now, we're not harvesting yet. So now, I don't know if you can see this, but it's spiky. Those hurt. Okay, so do not grab it by the vine or the stem. Look at this pumpkin.
Oh, a bug.
Oh, there's a bug on it. That's okay. No big.
Touch the spike.
Did you touch the spikes? Yeah, ouch. Are you okay? Let's just check if there's a spike in your finger. Because sometimes it can sit. No, it should be okay. All right, so this is a nice, ripe pumpkin.
I want to cut it off.
Whoa.
This
See how it's orange? And some pumpkins get to be this size. Some pumpkins get huge. There's been a pumpkin that was over 1,000 pounds. That's huge. That's so super big. So, oh, my friends, look at this. I'll show you. I'll show you a little bump. Oh, here's a blossom. That's a female blossom. It has a bump inside. So that only opens for 1 day. So now look, here's a, let's see here. That's another female blossom. So if we can get some nectar from a male blossom, there's a male blossom. It has like a stick. So look, I'm getting the nectar. Usually the bees would do this. Get the nectar. It's on my finger. I don't know if you can see, there's like yellow dust. And if I put that in here, sorry, I should say pollen. It's actually pollen. And if I can actually pollinate these on our own. So I've got it on my finger and I rub it around. And that's it. Those ones might close up and make pumpkins. Now, since it's fall, the plants will stop growing. But we have a beautiful pumpkin. And that's how pumpkins grow.